From the US President, a dramatic announcement.
I am officially declaring a national emergency. Two very big words.
With more than 40 dead and the number of infected growing, the President has opened up funding and cleared states to take important steps to blunt the spread of the virus.
I'm urging every state to set up emergency operation centers effective immediately. I'm also asking every hospital in this country to activate its emergency preparedness plan so that they can meet the needs of Americans everywhere. The hospitals are very engaged.
But the President refused to accept the crisis is now much greater because testing wasn't more widely available.
No, I don't take responsibility at all because we were given a set of circumstances and we were given rules, regulations, and specifications from a different time. Wasn't meant for this kind of an event with the kind of numbers that we're talking about.
The Trump administration is planning to introduce drive-through testing. There will be a website to tell people if they need the test and where to get it. What's missing is when these new measures will kick in. The government's top expert says he hopes these steps will shorten the epidemic's peak.
And what you're seeing now with this order is that we're going to be able to remove the constraints so that people at the state, the local level, the individual physician, all the way up through the federal government, will have as many constraints as possible removed for them to do everything they possibly can so that we can implement the things that we've been talking about.
Across the city on Capitol Hill, the House of Representatives is working on a relief bill to help people impacted by the virus. It'll provide paid sick leave for those who have to skip work and provide free widespread testing.
The three most important parts of this bill are testing, testing, testing. This legislation facilitates free coronavirus testing for everyone who needs a test, including the uninsured.
President Trump was forced to take action as public life across America is being impacted, with sports events cancelled, schools closed, events postponed. It's a remarkable step from a man who initially claimed coronavirus was being hyped to politically damage him and his re-election efforts.